Hello everyone, I am Sahiti, currently working as software engineer in the field of quality assurance. Today, I am going to present a lecture on Introduction to Management and Management Functions. I thought of picking this lecture because management plays an important role everywhere, every day, every time. So, in order to have the basic idea on what is management and what are the various management functions that are involved in our day to day activities or in our business activities, in our day to day task, so I thought of choosing this topic. So, let us go ahead. First, what is management? It is nothing but an art of doing things in the best and cheapest way. It's a process or it's a step by step approach which involves different different functions in order to achieve the common objective. It's a so management is a technique of getting things done in the best and cheapest way, and it's an art of doing things effectively and efficiently. Then, what's the nature of management? Management is mathematic and scientific. How we can justify it? The experiences of the managers over the years have become the base for framing certain principles, correct? In our organization, we'll be having our managers for different projects. Then the experiences of them have become base for framing various principles, various management principles for practicing management, which is being proven every day. Management as a science, rigid to a certain extent, is calculative. And we use different statistical quality control techniques, inventory problems, etc. in order to implement different management principles. Hence, the management practitioner has to employ mathematical tools as well as scientific techniques to reach the organizational goals. So we can state that management is both scientific and mathematic. Management is art and tact. Management is often considered as an art. Everybody in the organization knows what he or she has to do, but results will differ from person to person when the work is actually done. A good manager can extract work from his subordinates by creating good atmosphere through seeking their acceptance to work. Correct? Thus, management is practicing the act of art and tact. Then the other nature is it's goal oriented. Management is goal oriented. Yes, management has clearly defined goals and objectives. The main aim of management is to define the objective first. Then, how to reach the objective that is framed? There will be a process involved. So, management is goal oriented. Management is universal. Yes, it's universal. Everywhere managers or the employees in the organization, everyone has their own uniqueness, but they do the task in a different way. That's okay, but they do the task in order to reach the common objective. Correct? But everyone offers manages everything occurring every day, whether official or personal. Hence, management is universal. Management is dynamic. Management is composed of certain human groups, correct? Thus, human groups work in the form in the society in the form of groups to achieve a common objective that is framed. So, management is dynamic in nature. Then, scope. What is the scope of management? Management is considered as a continuous activity which involves various management functions like planning, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting, etc. So, what is the scope where it's applicable? It's applicable in various functional areas that is shown on the screen, like operations management. There's a different branches where management plays a separate important role in each and every sector. That is operations management, functional management, production management, human resource management, and so on. Operations management, which involves business activities in a product in a process to carry out. Functional management, which involves all the functions of a business process in order to achieve the common objective. Whereas production management, it involves production planning, quality control, inspection, production techniques, etc. Whereas human resource management, it covers various aspects relating to employees of an organization such as recruitment, training, promotion, social security, industrial relations, etc. So these are the various functional areas of management. So the other important topic is management. Why management is necessary? It is important uh, in order to perform various activities in our day-to-day life also. So it is important in order to utilize the resources properly, in order to reduce the cost, in order to establish sound and effective organization. It motivates the employees by seeing the policies, rules, and all. It develops team spirit. It reduces the labor turnover. What is labor turnover? Efficient management reduces labor turnover. Yes, it ensures continuity in the business activities and operations. I mean, your labor turnover in the sense, employees that are resigning the organization due to improper environment or due to not properly defined policies they don't like. So, with proper and effective management, labor turnover can also be reduced. The other thing is management functions. The basic management functions I have listed over here: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting. Planning, which is the primary function of management. It's a step by step procedure in order to achieve the business objective. It is a determination of future course of action. In other words, we can say that planning is deciding in advance what to do in order to achieve the desired results. Then organizing. It means creation of a structure of functions, duties, authorities, and responsibilities in order to accomplish the goals of the enterprise. Then staffing. It is concerned with filling up of manpower in various positions of an organization and setting various interrelationships among them. Then directing. It relates to leading, guiding, motivating, supervising, decision making, communicating, and controlling various activities that a manager has to do in order to achieve the organizational objective. Then coordinating. It unites all the employees and allows them to work in the right spirit so as to reach the common goals of the organization. It's uniting the employees. Then reporting. The work that you have done, you need to report. You need to submit it in the form of evidence, correct? So it is also very important function of management. It is representing the business concerned in and out, inside and also outside the industry. The managers are the coordinators and leaders of the organization. Here, the coordinators hold the responsibility of reporting status and also the position of the organization before the interested group of people such as stakeholders, top management, administrator, board of directors, employees, trade unions, customers, financiers, and so forth. The management has to project and protect its own image. Not only that, but also the image of organization. So the management takes the function seriously to inform and inspire the relevant groups about their objective status and repute. So these are some of the various functions of management. I hope this video is helpful for you guys in order to get at least what is what at least an overview or a brief idea on what is management and nature, scope, importance, and the various functions that are involved in the management. If you have any queries, you can post it in the comments. I'll be responding to your queries. And also, I request you to like, share, and subscribe the video if it's helpful. Thank you, one and all.